Hey y'all, it's Renee from 9B Panhandle, Florida, and today we are going to be digging up a pot that was from the failed peony experiment for the past year or so, and then I'm going to be putting one of my bamboo pots. It's a clumping bamboo that I have had in a terracotta pot. I'm going to put it into the bigger black pot. So here are the pots that I had in the ground where the peonies just didn't make it. And then here are the terracotta pots that these bamboo have been in. Terracotta is A-OK outside all year round in Florida. I've never had one crack before, but these are begging to get into a bigger container, and Lord knows I am not putting those in the ground, because let me show you what happens. This is all my neighbor's bamboo, and it grew over the fence. It's great, it's beautiful, we love it, but I don't need it to go in other locations of my yard. Wild bamboo, it can be quite invasive here in Florida. I know putting in a pot is not its happiest environment, but I have propagated all those bamboos myself. So if I lose a few, I still have a great amount of cane that I could still take and propagate and have more bamboo. Maybe in another video I'll show you how I do that. But now on to the job at hand.
Oh look, another baby jasmine I pulled out of the ground. Their mother plant's been dug up for a while, but with this one, you know, it seems a shame not to put in a pot. I'll do that at the end.
Well, that'll do it for this video, and I hope you get to go out in your world today and make something beautiful. Bye, y'all. Until the next one.
I thought I'd end the video on my Christmas gift that my girls gave to me. They each gave me one of these coupons for a flower of my choice. And of course, I chose some David Austin roses. So I'm going to be featuring one at the end of my videos for a while that I've chosen. And the first one is Crown Princess Margareta. And if I remember correctly from the website, it said that it is a climbing rose. However, you can prune it and make it a shrub rose, which is what I'm going for. Has a strong fruity scent. It has 120 petals per flower, and they are large blossoms that repeat regularly. So I am so looking forward to this beautiful baby, and I can't wait for you to meet her too when she comes.